All right, for those of you wanting to have an example of how to do the extra credit, I'm producing a video for you. So if we take a look here at this page here, it's a Word document. You have what appears to be a bunch of different, I don't know, scores. And as you can see at the top, we have a quiz, classroom procedures, quiz, and so on. And so the grades are from left to right. Each one of the rows, I guess this is a row. And let me go ahead and enable editing here. And I guess we can say this is a row and this is a column. So this here, this is a column. So each one of the rows is a different student. Each one of the columns is a different assignment. And so we have a bunch of students here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 students. And well, what I want you to do is I want you to calculate basically the grade in the class. Now, if you come back here down to the side, at the bottom, it says here the weights of each of the assignments. Like it says that the cumulative classwork homework is weighed 0.5. The quizzes are weighed 1. Tests are weighed 2. Classroom procedures 0.5. Report is a weight 2.0. Mixed worksheet is 0.5. Page 39 is 0.5, and chapter 2 review is 0.5. So I'm going to go ahead and just go to each one of these and label them with the weight that they have. For instance, anything that says a quiz, the quiz is worth 1. So I would just go ahead and put a 1 in each of these. So quiz is 1. Well, that's a really bad 1. Let me see if I can make it prettier. 1. This quiz is 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1 and 1. We also have a chapter test there. The chapter tests are worth 2. So I'll go ahead where it says a test, put where to 2. So that's 2. 2. And I think that's it for chapter 2 review. Let me see. Chapter 2 review is 0.5. So this guy here is a 0.5. Page 39 is also 0.5. Mixed worksheet take home, that's also 0.5. Cumulative classwork homework grade, that's a 0.5. And then we also have report on mean, median, mode. That report is 2 actually. This guy's a 2. And then we have classroom procedure student, that's 0.5. So on top, for each of the columns, I've created the weights. And of course, each one of these is a grade. A 1 is a D, a 4 is an A. So with the first student, if we were to do this, the weighted mean, remember the formula is X bar equals the sum of X times W divided by the sum of W. I would have to now carefully write, well, the first grade is a 1 times 1 weight plus next grade is 4 times 0.5. The next one is a 0 times 1. The next one is 2 times 1. The next one is a 1 times 2. The next one is a 2 times 1. The next one is a 4 times 2. 4 times 2. The next one is a 2 times 1. The next one is 4 times half. Ooh, why did it erase? Okay, it's erasing. I'll go ahead and write it over here on this side. Plus 4 times half. And I'm sorry it's a little bit messed up, but I'm running out of space. 4 times half. And then you have 3 times 1. And then you have 0 times 1. And then you have 0 times 2. And then you have oh, I missed one. This is 0.5. And you have a C, a 2 times 0.5. And then you have an F times 0.5, a 0 times 0.5. And then you have a B, or 3 times 1. And then you have a D times 1. So plus D times 1. And then you have an A, 4 times half. And then you have an F times half. So I'm gonna count to see if I missed. I'll count all my parentheses there to make sure I didn't miss a grade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And let me count the amount of grades I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I got all my grades. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to write this up top here. Just follow along. 1 times 1 is 1. Oh, darn it. No. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 4 times half, that's 2. Plus 0 times 1 is 0. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2. So I've taken care of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've taken care of all these. So I'll go ahead and erase these. Hopefully I don't erase something at the bottom. Now it becomes less crowded. And then we erase this, 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 and this. So I'll continue my addition. Right? 4 times half is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times half is 1. 0 times half is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. Make sure. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times half is 2. And 0 times half is 0. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I took care of all the grades. Let me erase this part here. Now, we add up all those, I guess you can say, points, right? So let me do that. Let me just erase nicely here while I'm at it. I don't know why it doesn't erase that. Incredible. It's like my eraser is really bad. Oh my God. All right, so there we go. So now I just carefully add up all those numbers there. I guess you can say all the points in a way that's what they are. They're just points. So we take 1 plus 0.5 sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. So I come up with 31. It's worth me repeating it because I can make a silly mistake and then I'm giving you bad notes. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat it. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. Got 31. Now you take this number here. This takes care of the numerator here, the sum of x times w. Now you have to divide that by the sum of w. Well, what is the sum of w? Well, it's the sum of your weights. Basically, of each of those columns' weight, the 1 plus half plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, all that, all these here have to be added up. So I'm going to go ahead and do my sum of my weights. So this here took care of your sum of x times w. Now we're going to go ahead and figure out sum of f. Well, it's going to be just 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it on my calculator here. It's 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1, so it's plus 2, plus 2 more, plus 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1, plus 0.5, plus 1, 2, 4, plus 1, 0.5 plus 1.5 is 1, plus 2, plus 1. So I'm getting a weird answer now, so I must have, oh, I see what I did. Minus 0.05 plus 0.5. I'm getting 18. I'm gonna go ahead and check it again. And I think it's 18. And all your problems here will be whatever weight I say now. All your problems will be by the same weight. So obviously, you know, once you get once, you get just what changes is your numerator. 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. Yes, I got 18 again, so I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. So if you add up all those numbers there, you're going to get 18. 18. So now you take basically sum of x times w divided by the sum of the weights equals 31 divided by 18. 31 divided by 18, that's a 1.72. 1.72. So this student has barely a C in the class. Okay. And now you repeat that for all of them and you show me the work. If you don't show me the work, I don't give you credit. Now, some of you might want to do this electronically. No, you're not allowed to. Okay. So let me go ahead and stop the share. And then stop the recording.